Track 1! Amtrak, we're here at Track 1 Station, and I've never heard of Track 1 Station before.
I don't think you're at the right sign, Big Butt Bear. That doesn't look right. Why don't we come over here? This is more like it.
Oh! We're here at New Hamburger Station. We're gonna have some cheeseburgers and some bacon sliders, and what does an old hamburger look like?
Probably a hamburger that's been sitting in the fridge for 2 weeks.
Alright, New Hamburger Station.
So check this out. So it's last week of December, a lot of people have off from work. All the metered spots are full, but look at this, all the permanent spots are pretty much empty. Everyone's just pretty much just going down to the city and seeing the Rockefeller Christmas tree or something like that.
What do you suppose that means?
It probably means everybody has off and are just going to the city and not actually working, which makes sense because that week of the year.
Let's go play!
Yeah!
You could even put the bear here and you can just quickly pan across all the people.
Yeah.
And look at all the revelers here.
Yes.
All the revelers are going to New York City. They're probably going to take that train behind me.
Yep, they are.
Here it comes.
This was a glitchy bell. It is. Probably will get replaced next.
And like magic, all the revelers behind me will disappear from the platform.
Ooh. Wow, the first stop is one stop north of here and the train's already packed.
That must be the thing to do this year.
Yeah.
Get on the train and go south.
Yeah.
What do you think, Big Butt Bear? Should we go? Nah, we'll go some other time. Another time. Looks like we got 227 pushing.
Yep. Well, here's today's schedule. As you can see, even the Poughkeepsie trains are stopping at Yankee Stadium today because there's some sort of college sports event going on at Yankee Stadium, so that's why the Poughkeepsie trains are also stopping there today. There's no Harlem and Hudson, no Harlem and New Haven line service though, because it's not an official Yankee game.
And we're one station south of Poughkeepsie?
Yep. So that's why for the stops for the Poughkeepsie bound trains are just Poughkeepsie.
Nowhere else.
Nope.
Every inch of track between here and Poughkeepsie, but no stops.
Pretty cool, huh, Big Butt Bear?
Looks like you have to be in not the first two cars. It's bigger than this platform.
It is, yeah. I think it's a 6-platform station.
What are we looking for?
This is Ethan Allen to Burlington.
All right. It's not stopping, right?
Nope. Poughkeepsie is his next stop.
Train number 874.
Oh yeah, it does. And the locomotive too. It's 208 trailing.
Cars are in this set. I like that.
Yeah.
I guess it gives you an idea how packed they are.
It is, yeah. So the lighter it is, the more people are in.
I like that.
I like how it also tells you the locomotive, and you can see the a custom livery too, 208.
So we don't have we got
Yep.
I like that.
That's awesome, yeah.
Somebody finally put a computer to good use.
There it is.
Look at the sign. Oh. He's slowing down.
Yep.
He's gonna stop. 206 leading. 4:24. How many more trains we got today?
Let's see. I think we got another 4 or 5, I want to say.
Whoa!
We're going to go over to the other side right now, but to get there, you got to go through this interesting underpass. No elevators here. Just...
Elevators?
Yep. So we use the stairs here. Let's see what this is all about.
I'm guessing it's going to be made of the corrugated aluminum tube.
Oh wow, 1930. Careful, looks a little slippery. This is beautiful though.
It's also leaking all over.
It is, yeah.
Slow because
You have a bad angle.
I was expecting corrugated aluminum tube like North White Plains, but this is actually quite nice.
It is. It really is nice.
Oh, this one's got a 90-degree turn on the side.
It does. And now we're on the other side. That was interesting. How big up here?
I thought that was fantastic, and I've been through a lot of tunnels. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we should do.
Austin, Terrytown, Yankee, East 125th Street, Harlem 125th Street, and Grand Central Terminal.
Hey, Conrail Heritage Unit is going to be trailing this one.
Nice.
A lot of people almost missed that one. There he is.
Blue and yellow for Philipse University.
He's really late. This is another Amtrak train. .4:53 p.m.
today at New Hamburger Station. I had some bacon avocado burgers, Swiss cheeseburgers, onion burgers. They were fantastic. In addition to burgers, we saw some trains.
Yes, we did.
Up to Poughkeepsie, down from Poughkeepsie, Amtrak. It was a great day on the rails. So until next time, stay safe out there and keep on rolling.
Plan your trip with our train timers. NPA.info.
How about that, Fig Up Fair?
But there's no alcohol.
Why won't she shut up?
12 p.m. Monday.
We get it. There's trains.
Don't forget to activate your tickets before boarding your train.
I'm gonna go get some hamburgers.